Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. Today I will share a very easy way to do a 3-step hair spa at home. But before we begin, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So this is what my hair looks like, dry and frizzy. The hot weather in here in Mumbai is not helping it either. Look at the lengths and the hair tips, it gets very frizzy and rough. So step number 1 is to dampen the hair with some water. Also, it is very crucial that you begin the hair spa on absolutely clean hair. In fact, it is best done after shampooing when your hair is absolutely squeaky clean. So I'm going to spray enough water so that my hair is thoroughly wet. Moist or wet hair absorbs hydration and nourishment from the spa treatment. Guys, by the way, all the products that I'm going to use in this video are linked down in the description box just in case if you wish to shop them. So now my hair is properly wet, and step number 2 is applying the spa cream. I have this rich and thick looking hair spa cream in here with me. This looks so creamy like a yogurt. So tempting, I felt like eating it. So here you have to scoop out enough cream to cover the hair lengths generously. So I've scooped out 4 tablespoons of this hair spa cream. But since my hair needs extra nourishment at this point, I'm going to add a few drops of vitamin E as well. What vitamin E does is to soften the hair cuticles and also repair the damage. After adding the vitamin E capsules, mix everything well. Now all you have to do is to apply the cream section by section in the hair properly. And when I say properly, it means from roots to the hair tips. Guys, you have to make sure that your hair is still wet, and feel free to spray some water if your lengths start drying out. This is basically how I deep condition my hair when it gets very rough and frizzy, and also before any important occasion. Focus especially on the lengths and the tips because this area faces maximum damages. I honestly find this application part very therapeutic. Once all the hair has been coated properly, now you have to massage your scalp slowly with the help of your fingertips. This is very important as massaging will improve the blood circulation in the scalp and will help in hair growth. So take your time and don't be in a hurry. Once we are done massaging the scalp, then comes step number 3, and it is steaming the hair. Guys, lately I've been using this steamer as it is very easy to handle, and it also covers the lens and the scalp simultaneously. This is the nozzle part where the steam comes out, and this is the water inlet to fill the water in. And as you can probably tell that I have already filled it with some water. I also usually add a few drops of rosemary or tea tree essential oil in the steam because the steam opens the scalp pores and the hair cuticles, and the essential oils get absorbed very easily. And not to even mention that rosemary and tea tree essential oil helps with hair growth and fighting the hair problems that we usually face like dandruff, scalp acne, infection, stunted hair growth, etc. So we are all set to steam. Focus on the hair and the scalp equally, but be a little cautious with your face and skin because the steam which is coming out is super hot. So this has to be done for 7 to 8 minutes till your hair gets pleasantly warm. After the steaming process, we need to give the hair a while to absorb all the nutrients. And after this, guys, you have to simply rinse your hair with plain water. Please do not shampoo. And trust me, guys, your hair is going to thank you for all the hydration and nutrition that the hair spa provides. So I highly recommend that you try it out this time at home, and let me know if you have any questions. I would love to answer all your questions in the comments. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.